Well, gentlemen, you are given 1 minute with your story. Now, please read. Thereafter, I'll give you 1 minute for your narration. After narration of the last candidate, your group discussion will be started automatically. There is no need to ask permission to get a permission for initiating your discussion. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I am giving you 1 minute for reading your story. Well, gentlemen, please pass your seat. Well, gentlemen, now you are getting 1 minute for narration. So let's start.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I am posing 4 characters in my story. All were male. Their age lies between 24 to 30 years old. They all are looking like in a positive mood. So, Mohan, the main character of my story, lives in a Sultanpur village. One day, he took a round of his field and he saw a wild wolf wandering near about his field. So he ran away from there. He went his village and he tell all his villagers about that. So with the conclusion of the villagers, all villagers goes to the Gram Panchayat Sarpanch. Sarpanch told Mohan to call the forest officer. Mohan called the forest officer and forest officer sent 3 of his brave forest guard. With the help of forest guard, Mohan took away the wild wolf. After all this, Mohan and their villagers with the Gram Panchayat Sarpanch take a decision to make a net of steel in the path of forest. So they will be prevent with a wild animal. Thank you, gentlemen.
Next.
Good morning, gentlemen. From the shown picture, I have pursued 4 characters. All were male. 2 were in the positive mood, 2 were in the neutral mood. Age between 31 to 76. Ramesh was a old 76-year-old farmer. One day evening, he took their cattle to graze in hilly areas. He saw some people trying to climb the hill with the guns and bombs. He know that they are terrorists. He went near army headquarters and informed the military that some unspecious activities are taking place near hill. So they sent 3 soldiers to solve the problem. They came and rescued them. Thank you.
Next.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. In the shown picture, I pursued 4 characters. They all are the males. Their age are between 20 to 30 years. They are looking in the positive mood. The action of my story is making the way for go ahead. Naksh is a 25 years young soldier of 16th Gorkha Regiment. One day he, with his team, went to patrolling on hilly areas. They have to report on military camp in Rajouri on the hills. They went through the hilly areas. They faced many problems in the way. They crossed the obstacle. After some time, they found a water stream in the way. The water stream is the obstacle for them. They start collected bamboos and wooden log from the local areas. After that, they make a temporary bridge on the water stream and cross the bridge and successfully reported to the Rajouri military camp. After the completion of the mission, they came back to camp and make a request to government for a road in that area. The government approved it and the Border Road Organization made a concrete road to the Rajouri military camp from the national highway.
Next.
To ease the connectivity. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. The picture shown to us, I perceive 4 characters. All were male and their ages lie between 20 to 25 years old, and they were in positive mood. The action of my story to cross the mountain. The main character of my story is Swayam, who was 25-year-old, a villager living in a Sitapur village in Uttarakhand. One day he was roaming near the mountain. Then he suddenly saw that some cadets were trying to cross the mountain. But there were a big crack between 2 mountains, so they were unable to cross the mountain. So he immediately went to them and gave them the idea to make a bamboo bridge there. They accepted their idea and with the help of them, they create a bamboo bridge there and easily cross the mountain. After that, they thank them and go forward towards
Next.
the mountain. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. From the picture, I perceive 4 characters. All were male, of age around 25 to 40 years. One day, the main character of my story, Anand, who was a villager, who was going for his work. One day he saw some suspicious act nearby the village. So he informed the police officers who were going for patrolling. He informed about that suspicious act, and with the help of police they caught the thieves. The problem was solved.
Gentlemen, I perceive four characters in this story. All are male, of neutral mood, of the age group 25 to 40 years. The action of my story is repairing a wooden bridge to ensure the mobility of villagers. Shreyash was a newly appointed platoon commander in hilly areas of Dehradun. One day, while he was discussing some reforms with his subordinates, a villager came rushed to him, telling him that due to last night the storm, the wooden bridge was damaged in some parts. So, due to this, the mobility of villagers was stopped. The bridge was prominent as it connected village to the city. So, children were not able to go to their school, and also people were not able to go to the work. So, he rushed to the place, repaired the bridge temporarily, and ensured that the mobility of the villagers were going on. Later on, he informed the authorities and got it repaired. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning, gentlemen. From the picture, I perceived four characters. All are male, ages having between 20 to 30 years, and all are in positive mood. Action of my story is mountain training. Ujjwal was a 27-year young man who recently joined Indian Army as a lieutenant. Some new soldiers were joined Indian Army, so he took them for the mountain climbing. So while going for it, he saw a bridge was broken over a narrow river in their way. So it made a lot of problem for them for mountaining. So he made a bridge with the help of bamboos through the help of his nearby farmers and their soldiers. This bridge was also helpful for all the peoples. He thanked the farmer, and finally he crossed the bridge and started their mountain training. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I perceived four characters from the story. All were male. Their ages vary from 25 to 45 years old. Their mood are neutral to negative. One day, a villager come to the newly appointed Havaldar. His name is Rohit, and he was patrolling at the ILOC. And the villager come to them and told that there were some people who are trying to get inside the border, cross the border line, and they are gossiping for some terrorist activity there. So Rohit, the Havaldar, immediately informed to his high command and went for that place and hiding themselves from there. And they in the action of them, they fired on them, and one terrorist got hit by a bullet, and then they run away from there. And his high command ordered them to stay for them and observe the further activities. So there were no further activities.
Good afternoon, everyone. I have perceived four characters from the story. All of them are male, aged lying between 25 to 30 years. Three of them in the positive mood and one is in the negative mood. Action of my story is organizing a trek. Shashank, 27-year-old brave mountaineer who has done his schooling from the Dehradun trekking school, and he organized trek for the tourists and also affiliated with some travel agencies. One day he got to know that some tourists wanted to do trek, but it is their first time. He decided to give them training, some basic training. After providing them the training, he gave them the basic equipments: shoes, ropes, trekking suits, and sticks. And also take first aid box and compass with him. In the mid of the trek, one of the tourists got threatened by the harsh climate. He motivated them. They completed the trek, and he delighted by his efforts. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. From the photo, I perceive four characters. All are male and all belongs to the age group of 35 to 40. Every character of my story is in positive mood. The title of my story is Forest Fire, a Goregaon village known for its beautiful nature. A 35-year-old Ramkishore used to live in it. One day he went to the forest and he saw the fire is broke out in the forest due to some climatic reason. He instantly called the firefighting team with the use of villagers, he controlled the fire. After all, they all successfully countered the fire with the help of firefighting team, and Ramkishore decided to plant some more trees in the nearest farm. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I have perceived four characters in my story.
aged between 22 to 26 years with positive mood. Subham, who is 25 years old, was main character of my story. He was shepherd in the border area of Uttarakhand. While he was grazing his goat and saw some military personnel were patrolling in that area. They had to cross the narrow river. So he helped them with the bamboos and some wooden logs so that they can make the bridge to that narrow river, and after that they made a bridge and patrolled the whole area. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. From the picture, I perceived 4 people, age ranging from 25 years to 35 years old. Major Rajpal is the main character of my story. One day, a villager, while grazing his sheep, saw that the terrorists were trying to enter into the territories of India through the Jammu Kashmir region. He saw few of them were hiding on the shelter nearby the river. He immediately went to inform the military base about it. Major Rajpal with his few teammates went to check for it, and with the ammunition they saw that the terrorists were hiding into the shelter. He immediately tried to ambush into the shelter of the terrorists and neutralize them completely. There he found that they were planning for a big terrorist attack on the convoy soon. So it was very helpful for Major Rajpal to neutralize their terrorists there. They also patrolled there for a week after so that no terrorists could enter into their territories. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. From the picture, I perceive 4 characters were male, all in positive mode. The age range is between 25 to 35 years age. The main character of my story is Rishabh, who was Havaldar in the Punjab regiment. One day, when he was going to patrol in the border area, on the way he saw that some miscreants have broken the bridge which they used to cross the stream. With the help of his teammates, they made a temporary bridge using bamboo and other things and crossed the river and completed their patrolling. Later on, they to the higher authority to make a bridge. Thank you.
So gentlemen, as we all see in the given pictures, there are 4 characters ranging between 24 to 30 years old. So we all have seen that 3 are looking like a soldiers and one of them is looking like a villager.
Gentlemen, we can say that they are going for the mountaineering, as we can say that one is like
They are some kind of uniform.
Broken by the miscreants.
Holding some kind of lathi,
Yeah.
so he might be seeking help from the officers.
Yes. Yeah. So he might be infiltrated by the miscreants in that area. We can say that.
Used to get entered through the Jammu Kashmir region. So
Patrolling. One of the villagers got informed that some miscreants broke the road and all the infiltrators broke into that territory.
patrolling, one of the villager came there and told there was some.
Some of the infiltrators were infiltrated.
We have decided that they are
information about the infiltrators to
So the villager has come and told the official that there is some kind of terrorist activity.
leaders.
higher officials,
Yeah.
they have decided the mission and the planning. All planning is done by the main captain and with his
With the help
subordinates.
of the bamboo, how they can handle the
Gentlemen,
Yeah.
the bamboo is
The bamboo is
done by
not
the
Gentlemen, I think the station number already said Trush is trying to say something. Please go ahead.
I want to say that the farmer was taking that, but bamboo is not a weapon.
Yeah.
Can be the following the direction as the villager in the mountainous area. They carry only the bamboo.
We can get it. They have bamboo, so we consider they have
But just number 130, we cannot make a bridge with a temporary gun. How can we make the temporary bridge with one level? We can say that the patrolling party saw some infiltrators in the area.
Lots of equipment and they were not having lots of
Yeah.
equipment.
But gentlemen,
Only with the rope, they don't have the. They only having the bamboo, not having the rope, not having other things to tie. Focus on that. Yeah.
By this we will not be able to come
They
to
are
a
not
conclusion.
more.
Okay.
Gentlemen, most of us have agreed that it is some kind of
mischievous
military
activity
Yeah,
here
yeah.
So now you
across the
could
border.
We should talk
tell
about
the
the
action
action which was being
Yeah,
taken by
they
the
will
forces.
utilize it.
We should talk about the action that was taken by them. We'll talk about that.
They can call for the bamboo and try to ambush it and see if they will hide.
Yes, gentlemen, they can also took the help of forest officials to guide that nobody outside the villages do not enter the
Yes, this
that
can be
area,
also
so
very-
that they can do their mission safely.
Yes.
And most of the like right?
Yes, there seems to be a bridge maker because with one bamboo, how can you make it?
How can
But we noticed that two bamboo. One is
Yes,
Even we can't make let us conclude the story.
Gentlemen,
We are
there is
educated,
that around
there is
25
a
is that
certificate
we
now
are
proceed to our
platoon
actions.
commander, and platoon commander is generally the rank of captain or lieutenant. So please that you need
Yes.
you can take the action of commanding some mission and all. So gentlemen,
Let us plan our actions over there. And
How they can ambush
They will call more soldiers from the regiment, and till then they will try
and he
to.
took the help of the
Yeah, one of the
senior regiment.
They will ask for the help from their base. They will ask for the help from their base. And after that, they reserve that forest area so that no one can enter it.
Yes. Also, they could take help from signal regiment so that they can install jammers so that they could not call anybody else for the help.
Okay, gentlemen, now please select one candidate who give us.
I would like to
260.
Good evening, sir. So according to our discussion, we have decided that there are four people in the story. All are male in neutral mood of the age group around 25 to 40. Our main hero is a newly appointed platoon commander who was discussing something in his base, and soon some villagers rushed to him and told him about some kind of military or suspicious activities which were going in the forest. So he decided to deneutralize the activities. He made the plan, he informed his higher authorities and also took help from the signal and forest officials so that no villagers from outside could go inside, no civilian is harmed, and also the terrorists could not contact anybody else for the help. They went there, they successfully deneutralized everyone, and the mission was successful. Thank you.
Okay, please have a seat. So, gentlemen, it was a good discussion. You have made a good discussion here and shared your opinion and made a common story. So gentlemen, now you may leave.